guys, what's up? So I just got done filming a makeup tutorial that will be up in a few weeks, or maybe next week, I'm not really sure. But anyways, I wanted to go ahead and do an intro and outro for this video. I'm going to show you guys my new house. I skipped a couple rooms because we really haven't done anything to them. There's nothing worth seeing. And some of our rooms are still a mess, so please don't mind all the boxes and everything everywhere. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little house tour, so go ahead and check it out. I really hope that you enjoyed that. That was just a little small selection of our new house. I really wanted to show you guys kind of what we've done with it. I'm really excited to be in our new house. I love it. It's so pretty. I'm just really thankful that we're able to rent this house because it's absolutely beautiful. And I just wanted to kind of show you guys where I'm living now, show you guys a little bit of like my work setup in my office. Yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys later. Bye guys!